Hello and welcome to InSync Commerce demo video. In this demo video, we will cover tier pricing feature and its applications in the pricing engine. InSync Commerce is an end-to-end integrated B2B commerce solution which is specifically designed to streamline the business processes of wholesaling, distribution, and manufacturing D2C. It helps the B2B business merchants for a quick digital adoption, a quick launch, and faster growth. The platform offers inbuilt integration with other backend business applications like ERP system, POS system, CRM applications, and it provides a seamless digital experience to the merchants. So tier price is a pricing rule which is present in InSync Commerce B2B commerce platform. It is based on price list. So price list, as we know, is a segmentation of customers based on the commercial activity. So tier price is based on that, and tier price is designed to offer volume discount for bulk purchase. It is very suitable for wholesaling business scenario where we know that wholesalers wish to buy products in a bulk and they are expecting some additional discount for this bulk purchase. So in this demo video, we will cover how to create tier price, how to assign products and quantity level discount within a tier price rule, and then assigning that tier price rule to a B2B customer and see its application when the B2B customer's contact person logs in to the portal. So let's have a look in our InSync Commerce demonstration portal. So this is the InSync Commerce demo portal front end, which is visible to the B2B buyers, B2B buyer companies, contact persons. Specifically, they are the user of this portal. And this is the InSync Commerce admin panel. So to create a tier price, we need to go to InSync Commerce admin panel settings section. Here we can see an option called in the advanced pricing, which is called tier price. So in tier price section, we can see that there is an option to add new tier price. Obviously, there are few existing tier price rules which I have already created. So let me show you how to add new tier price, and then I will show you the example through the existing rule that I already have defined. So it's pretty simple. I need to go to new tier price rule. The tier price rule will be based on website. I need to select the B2B customer company for which this tier price rule will be applicable. So I can select that. I can select a price list on top of which this tier price will be applicable. So the rule will work like this, that if the B2B contact person logs in, they will see the price list price. And when they try to buy in bulk, then on top of the price list price, the tier price or the volume discount will be applicable. So here, I can select the price list. On top of that, I need to mention that whether the discount will be by fixed price or by percentage. I can provide that. And I need to activate this tier price rule. Once I save this rule, then I can add the products and the volume, the quantity level discount within that. So let me just show you the details how it is added. So if I go into this rule which I have already created, so here I can see that this rule is applicable on main website. This is applied to the B2B customer Camarena Limited. They have a price list of gold level distributor price list, which is on top of that, the tier price will be applicable. And I have given a choice by fixed price, this tier price or the bulk discount will be applied and the rule is active. Now I have saved this rule, and after that this product details page will appear. Here I can add the product. So here I have just added one product. I can add more tiers here as per my requirement. So here I have given a tier price rule on product GoPro Hero 7. If this customer Camarena Limited, any contact person of this customer purchase at a quantity of 5 or more, they will get it at $200. So let's first go and check. If I go in the discover section, I need to go to the action cameras because GoPro is an action camera. So here I can see as a visitor, I can see that the price is $250. So now based on this tier price rule, go to the section. If we go to customer, we need to log in as a customer. So I'll go to the customer section. I'm checking the customer section, Camarena Limited, because I need to log in as a contact person of Camarena. So here I can see Camarena Limited, and I will just check the contact person and then I will log in as one of that contact person. So I'm in the contact person section. I can see that David Miley is a contact person of Camarena Limited. So let me try to log in as David in the front end. So first of all, as I can see, the base price or the price which is being shown is $250. Now, if I log into the portal as a contact person of Camarena Limited, so now if I go in again the collection section and I need to go to the action cameras, so I can see the price is $250. Now I will simply add this to the cart and I go to the shopping cart, delete this and then restart again because there are already few items added. So I will first add this item to the cart. Now if I go to the shopping cart, I will increase the quantity to 6 or more because the tier price applies to 5 or more quantity. So this has been done, and as you can see, the pricing has been updated to $200. So the price which is set for by fixed price instead of percentage, I've selected that option. By fixed price, it has been given as $200 if the contact person of Cameron Limited purchase in a bulk of quantity 5 or more. So the same rule which has been set in InSync Commerce admin panel is being shown in the front end. So in this way, tier pricing works. Specifically, it is applicable for wholesale customers where wholesalers buy product in a bulk, and this bulk discount will be applicable to suit or to match that business scenario. Thank you for watching this video.